And I put this one up like usual. If I'm doing an even number problem, it's because you've got an odd number problem, which is similar to it, and which, if I don't do it, I'm just going to get everybody's, I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. Okay, now you know what to do. I mean, could we use the same strategy that we did last time? I mean, no, that doesn't make any difference, right? But the problem is, another one, it was R equals, and it was divide by cosine. That way I could multiply up here and get R cosine theta. That's not what I've got this time, right? But I know the substitution will involve R cosine theta. So I need to introduce an R to the right-hand side. Right? But if I multiply times R here, what else do I have to do? I'm going to have to multiply both sides times R in order to give me that R cosine theta that I can substitute for. Right? Multiply both sides times R. Now I have R squared equals 4R cosine theta. And that's pretty handy because now what I have on the left, I have a substitution for too. Right? What is R squared? X squared plus Y squared. And on the right, 4x. Now, if I take that and I subtract 4x from both sides, x squared minus 4x plus y squared equals 0. Complete the square in the x terms. What do I need to add to make a perfect square trinomial? Add 4, right? If I add 4 here, then I add 4 here. And now this is x minus 2 squared plus y squared equals 4. So what shape is that? What is the shape? Classify. Based on the A and the C. What are the A and what are the C? What is? They're both 1. What kind of shape is it that A equals C? It's a circle, right? This is a circle. The center is at 2, 0. The radius is 2. Right? This is R squared. The center is 2, 0. The radius is 2. So that's what that is. That's a circle. Yeah. Okay. Now, you can graph in your calculator polar coordinates. If you go to your calculator and go to the mode, which we've already been playing around with, right? We have it on parametric, but if you look one more to the right of parametric, it's polar. So if you go down to that line, polar, and notice how it changes in y equals. Now it's asking you for R1. So put in 4 cosine theta. I've already done it. And then look at your graph. Okay. So you can do that. And notice when you want to put in the R, or the theta, that's the third letter, right? The first one is for function. The next one is for parametric. The next one is for polar. So you can imagine the next one after that is the last one on the list.